Chapter 3: Simple, Compound and Complex Sentences. Kinds of sentences based on their structure. There are three kinds of sentences based on their structure. 1. Simple sentences. A simple sentence expresses a single complete thought and has one finite verb. A simple sentence has only one subject and one predicate. It consists of only one clause. John is an intelligent boy. In the above sentence, John is the subject, is an intelligent boy is the predicate, and is the finite verb. 2. Compound sentence. A compound sentence has two or more coordinate clauses. The coordinate clauses are independent clauses. They are of equal rank and can convey the complete meaning or sense by themselves. I didn't like the food, but I ate everything. The above sentence consists of two coordinate clauses. 1. I didn't like the food. 2. I ate everything. These coordinate clauses are independent of each other and can stand on their own to convey the meaning. They are connected by a coordinate conjunction, but to form a single compound sentence. 3. Complex sentences. A complex sentence has only one independent clause called the principal clause and one or more dependent clauses called the subordinate clauses. The subordinate clauses are dependent on the principal clause to convey their meaning. We rushed inside because it began to rain. This sentence also consists of two clauses. We rushed inside, principal clause. Because it began to rain, subordinate clause. The subordinate clause in this sentence is dependent on the principal clause to convey its meaning. Therefore, this sentence is a complex sentence. Here, a subordinate conjunction because connects the two subordinate clauses to form a single complex sentence. Read these sentences and then study the analysis table given below. Give me a drink which I may drink. He is the child who tried to break the window pane. She cried when she heard that Mahesh, who was her friend's son, had died. Main clause, subordinate clause. Give me a drink which I may drink. He is the child who tried to break the window pane. She cried when she heard that Mahesh had died, who was her friend's son. Remember, the clause that makes complete sense by itself is called the main or principal clause. A sentence that has only one finite verb is called a simple sentence. It will have only one clause. If there are two or more principal clauses in a sentence, each is called a coordinate clause. A sentence that has two or more principal clauses is called a compound sentence. Some sentences have clauses which cannot convey their meaning on their own. The other clauses in a sentence that depend on the main clause to make sense are called subordinate clauses. A sentence that has one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses is called a complex sentence.